She didn't leave to hurt you. She left to wake you up. The pain you feel right now isn't punishment. It's education. You just don't see it yet. You were comfortable. You thought love meant peace, ease, safety. But comfort made you weak. It made you forget your purpose. You stopped growing. You stopped chasing your mission. You started chasing her. And when she left, you broke. But that break is exactly where discipline is born. She didn't leave you for someone better. She left because you stopped being your best. And now you're learning the hardest truth. Pain is the only teacher that never lies. It strips you down. It forces you to rebuild. It makes you remember who you were before the comfort, before the validation, before you lost your edge. Every morning, you wake up missing her. That's training. Every time you resist texting her, that's control. Every time you walk past a memory and keep your head up, that's growth. You're not healing from her. You're healing from the man you became while loving her. That's why she left. Not to destroy you, but to reveal you. You see, the universe doesn't take things away to hurt you. It removes what makes you soft so you can become strong again. Discipline isn't born in comfort. It's born in heartbreak, in silence, in lonely nights when no one checks on you and you still show up. That's where men are forged, in pain, in discipline, in solitude. So stop hating her. Stop blaming her. She played her part. She was the spark. You were the fire waiting to happen. Now burn for something greater. Burn for your mission. Burn for the man you promised yourself you'd become. She left you to teach you discipline, not pain. Remember that. And when it hurts again, smile. Because it means you're becoming dangerous to your weakness, to your comfort, to the old version of yourself. If this hit your soul, subscribe to Steel Mind. Because pain isn't your enemy. It's your path to power.